Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. You're watching the great series of Arduino tutorial, and if you are not seeing the previous video, I have given the link in the description below. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So in this tutorial we are going to do how to map a potentiometer to servo motor. In the previous video I have set a small project that when we turn the knob of the potentiometer, according to that the servo motor has to move. So that project we will be doing in today's video, and now let's do the program. So this is the program. First, include servo.h, which is in the previous video also I have said that a servo motor is a special device, so we have to include it in the libraries. The name of the library is servo.h. What is h? It is a header. Next, int servo pin, that is the servo motor's pin. I have set it to pin number 6, which is a pulse width modulation. And int pot pin, which is the potentiometer's pin, I'll set it to A0. And int servo pose, it is the servo motor's position. I don't know now the servo motor is in which position, so first we'll make it into 0 position, 0 degree. Next we'll do and pot value, which is the potentiometer's value, because we don't know it, that's why I have not given any value. Next, in my servo, this line of code says that creating an object to servo. Next, what setup. Now what setup, my servo dot attach servo pin, that is attach servo motor's pin. That is we are telling into the Arduino that the servo motor is connected to the pin number servo motor pin and attach it as still. Next, serial.begin 9600. We are going to use serial monitor, that's why this line of code is used. Next, void loop, pot val equal to analog read pot pin, that is pot val is read the pot pin, you will get a value, then set it to the pot val variable. Next, serial dot print pot val equal to, that is print serial dot print, that means print this. Next, serial dot print pot val. So we are telling the Arduino to print the pot val. Next, float y equal to 255.0 divided by 1023.0 into pot val. Here, this line of code, you might know this code because in the previous tutorials varying the brightness of the LED. In that tutorial we will be using this code. Float. What is float? Decimal number is float. Y is a variable, unknown variable, right? Now y, the value can be in decimal form, that is called float. Now this is the formula.
How to map servo motor and potentiometer. So first we will get some value from the potentiometer. Now potentiometer, analog read 0 x. This is the value which we get from the, assume that this is the value which we get from the potentiometer, and 1023. Now servo motor 0 y. This is the value which we are going to write on the servo motor. 255. This is analog write. So this value is known, and this is unknown. So to find what value we should write on the servo motor, we have to do x divided by y equal to 1023 divided by 255, or else y divided by x equal to 255 divided by 1023 equal to y equal to 255 divided by 1023 into x. This is the value x. This x is the value which we get from potentiometer. Now you know how we have got this formula.
Next, serial.print analog read. Hit print analog read. Next, serial.println y. Print y. Next, my servo.write y. That is write y. Write y might be 0. Then write 0 degree to servo motor. So let's compile it. Compiling sketch. Done compiling. Initially the potentiometer is in 0, and also assume that the servo motor is in 0 degree. Now and also this servo motor can only rotate up to 180 degree. It won't rotate to 360 degree. So now I am rotating the potentiometers now, and you can also see the servo motors also moving. And also you can see in the serial monitor that the value is being changed. Now you can see in the serial monitor the value is 0. Now slowly I am reading it. Now potentiometer is giving the value of 244, and the analog write value is 63.3 31. Now I'm slowly varying it to the maximum. And now, yeah. Now the potentiometer is giving the value of 1023 and the analog right value is 255. I hope you understand this tutorial clearly, and so see you guys in the next video. Before ending up, if you have not seen the previous video, I have given the link in the description below. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.